Hi, this is Peter back in injection molding, and we have a robot that we use to pick up the parts and put them where we need them. And it's pneumatic, so it runs off of air lines from a central manifold. However, all the air lines look exactly the same, so it's really hard to identify issues. Until now, we've used our GPS tape to map out which line leads to where. So we've marked both ends of the air line so we can quickly identify which manifold we need to work on. Also, we have a legend that tells us exactly what part of the machine it controls. Much easier to identify and change out anything whenever we need to fix it.
Hey guys, this is Skylar. I'm going to show you a sweet application we found for our GPS tape. Here at our pad printing machine, we've got a lot of handles and knobs that adjust the printing surface. So each knob has a corresponding handle here. And so what we've done is we matched them with the GPS tape and we made a key here. So it makes it a lot faster to identify which handle you're going to be loosening so that you can adjust that direction. And it's just one of the simple applications we found for this, and you're going to love this product.